Hi, I'm Jonathan. Thanks for visiting my Upwork profile and considering me for your next project. For more than 10 years, I've been working with corporate IT industry in the Philippines, focusing on software and web development. For the last 10 years, I've been working with Vitro Software International that provides hospital and healthcare solutions with more clients and projects from Europe to Australia. I work front end development with language expertise in JavaScript and TypeScript, building fast applications that helps end users work more efficiently, boost productivity, providing better services, outcomes, and business growth while also reducing cost. I also have a background working with IntelliSmart technology, IPI Phil, in full stack development using ASP.NET with SQL, including Node.js. So I have a full understanding of how front end and back end comes together to build a complete solution. I have also a side project from Baltimore Therapy, Ryzen Autosports, Kela 88 online betting platform, Wrong Studios from React HTML with Tailwind. So I'm experienced with modern frameworks and libraries, and even modern website platform builder. I'm still building my profile here in Upwork, so there could be always a challenge, but of course, communication is always crucial. So I take pride in maintaining great collaboration and work relationship. Like I can provide daily updates and responses quickly. So if you are looking for that guy, whether you're building a simple landing page, a complex web application, I could be your next web developer on Upwork. Click hire or invite me to go get in touch.